All right,
Look,
guys.
pay attention to Lucy.
Are you good friends? Okay. We'll chase each other. Come on.
Dogs in Sam's daycare are so good. I think it's because it's the same dogs every day.
Yeah.
They chase each other. Oh, you like that rug? It's nice. I always
It's
like
okay, yeah, as long as the hair doesn't get too much. But it's so quick to vacuum it.
That's what you probably.
As long as it's not every day.
Your mother's anal.
Yeah. She's going to hear that.
One hair, she's got a vacuum up. Well, I think Mac shed more than when Mac shed, that white showed up like.
Yeah.
This might not show up that much. She's not making you your allergies bad?
Not really. A little bit.
Isabel wants you to run. Isabel always jumps up on the other dogs.
Just because she's so small.
You get nutless.
Yeah. It's going to be a little darker when I put it on the computer.
Don't hurt it, Isabel.
No, they're not hurting.